Today we're going to talk about 5 reasons people are making 2021 the year to move. If you're like me, you spent a lot of time at home in the last year. No, really, like a lot of time. And from that, we are finding a lot of buyers are itching to make a move. 2021 was a great year for the real estate market. However, there were people that held back because they weren't sure what was going on. All right, first let's talk about interest rates. Here's the gist. They're low, and so what we're seeing are buyers coming out in droves to take advantage of those rates. Homes are actually more affordable today than they were within the last few years, even with rising prices because of the interest rates. People are also making a move right now because they've simply outgrown their homes. This past year, we all saw our homes become our schoolrooms, our workplaces, our takeout centers. Our homes were our hub, and so many people have found the function of their home has changed, so now they need a place that fits the new function of their lives. So while some people are making a move because they've outgrown their home, others are making a move because it's time to downsize. Baby boomers are at that point where they make that decision, are we gonna stay or are we gonna go? And so with that, they're finding after spending the whole last year at home, they spent all kinds of time cleaning bathrooms, mowing lawns, doing all sorts of things, and now that they can get back out into the world a little bit, they want to enjoy this year, and being at home cleaning a big old house isn't helping that, so they're looking for a place that better suits their lifestyle. Here we are at the beginning of the year, and one thing we see every single year without fail are job relocations, and this year is no different. People who are coming into our area for a new job need a place to live, and so we often see people moving out and moving in because of their job. Another thing that we are seeing is just that people are ready for a change. We've already talked about this, but people have been stuck at home, and many people just want a change of scenery. So they are making this year the year that they take advantage of all the market has to offer and making the move they've been waiting for. So if you find yourself in one of these 5 positions or any others, there are lots of reasons people make a move. Reach out today and we'll get started on making your plan to get you where you want to be in 2021.